Today is May the 24th. We're coming back to the demonstration garden. I want to share with you the update for the tomato dome. As you can see, the dome has been removed from the cover. The temperature has increased significantly. We are in Sulphur Spring, Texas. There is a general weather trend to have some rain going on for the next few days, so I'm going ahead on the measuring and evaluation of the different treatments on the dome. The members of the community removed the plastic cover. What I hope is going to be the remaining of the season. There's a couple of things that I would like to update with on this tutorial. There is a new unit installed on the drip irrigation system. Is going to be the way we will be fertilizing the tomatoes for the next of the season. The rate is going to be determined a little bit later on when we see the differences on the challenge. What this unit does, and I have my measuring stick on my hand, which I'm going to point out the different components on it. It has an inlet coming in from water, pressurized water, less than 60 psi, coming into this unit. This unit will mix and distribute the fertilizer, and then it's coming back in this clear line into the drip irrigation. So you can potentially adjust the rate of distribution of your fertilizer into the drip irrigation. The unit is sold commercially as under the name of EC Flow. Is the smallest of the unit. I installed it yesterday. It was fairly easy to install, especially because we have already the valves and the timing and the pressure dropper valve system inside. So basically all it took was to connect the attachment that will reduce the flow into this 1/4 of an inch tubing into the unit. It's going to be on a timer. The timer is being sending water every day for 1 hour, so the unit will not be constantly under pressure, which is one of the challenges when you're working with this is small of a container. The manufacturer does not recommend to keep it in constant pressure. So this is the update. I'm going to show you how the tomatoes start looking now. They're looking significantly bigger than when the last time that we had a tutorial, and some of them have already some flowers. So about 4 weeks into the planting process, they're already showing some growth and some flowering process. The dome is designed to hold the plants vertically, so it's going to have a trellis system that we're in the process of installing. The plants get into the buckets. The string will be attached into each bucket, and I'm going to show you a short version of it here. What we're seeing is one plant. That's the bucket, and it has a handle. It's a food grade container, so it is recycled. It's upcycled from the food industry, and then the handle has a nylon string that's going all the way up and attached to the cage. What this is going to allow is give support to the plant. I took a ring, and there's several models that you can do this. This is a locally purchased plastic ring that is going to grab the plant and keep it up for the rest of its growth. The nylon is rated at 200 pounds of weight, so we hope that it's going to be able to withstand the wind and withstand the plant. There's other ways to do this, that if we have problems with the wind, we can actually modify it and change it. So today we're going to evaluate the plant growth and the different treatments, and start injecting the fertilizer later on next week.